everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix low performance optimization in iOS 18. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your device. Sometimes just rebooting might solve the problem. To reboot, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up, then slide to power off and wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is clear storage. Insufficient storage may lead to performance issue. Check it by going to settings. Then scroll down and go to general option. Next, choose iPhone storage options. Wait until the page is loading. Here you can see your storage at the top. Delete unnecessary apps by tapping on it and then choose delete tab and then tap on delete tab again. And you can also delete unnecessary photos and videos to make storage on your device, and you are done. The next step is reset all settings. If it remains low, you may have to reset your settings. To do that, go to settings. Scroll down, go to general option, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer reset iPhone, then choose reset. Next, choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions, and you are done. And the next step is update your iOS systems. Sometimes Apple will update with small bug patches to be applied to the newest version. For this, go to settings, then tap on general and then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix slow performance optimization, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.